Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a sort of like first impressions of my Dyson Airwrap. I actually unboxed this on camera, but I picked this up recently with some points that I had, and I really wanted to give it a go. So I've actually used the soft smoothing brush in this video to achieve this look. And basically it's just letting you know about the brushes. I haven't used the curling ones, but that will be coming soon if you're interested. But this is the finished look. This took only 3 or 4 minutes to completely get my hair to this state from semi-wet. So if you guys want to see this in action and hear my thoughts and reviews and what's in the box, then make sure you just keep watching. Hi. So this is the box. I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes in this carry case. It's a really nice brown leather carry case. And when you open it, it has like a little board to protect. And then some how to connect. And then finally, it's got all the tools. So I'll quickly walk through what there is based on the outside of the box. They've got 2 small curling wands, 2 larger curling wands, and they've got arrows to show which way the air flows. It's got a hairdryer attachment. I actually have a Dyson hairdryer and I love it, so that's great to have it if I need to go on holidays or travel. We've got the firm brush, which has got just the grey paddle brush, followed by this one must be the soft one because it's got the bubbles on the end, the pink bubbles. It's got a round brush, which I probably won't get a ton of use out of that. And then finally it has the actual main compartment, the main stick. I don't know, what's the word I'm going to use for this? The nozzle, the head, I don't know. And then it also has a little container in here, which I'm not sure what's in this. Let's open it to find out. I've actually watched any of these unboxings, which is really ironic. Alright, it's got an attachment. It looks like this. Wouldn't have a clue what this is for. I'm gonna have to find some instructions to find out, but so be it. This is the sort of like wand bit. I'll compare this to an actual Dyson hairdryer. I've got mine here, so you can see the size difference. So that's the actual hairdryer itself, and that's the size of the wand. So the wand itself is the size of just the hairdryer by itself. So it's quite big and bulky, I guess. But that's not to say that it's gonna affect how I use it. So it's got 3 heat settings, 3 fan settings, and on and off. It also has a lock and an unlock, so I'm guessing once I put the item in, I unlock, click it in, and let it go to lock it in. It's got the filter at the bottom, like a normal hairdryer. And yeah, so let's get started. I was gonna use the soft one today. So that's that. I'm gonna put it on the lowest heat setting that's not cold, and the highest fan setting, I guess. I think that's, I don't know if there's any clicking. To unlock it, you gotta press an unlock, but clicking it in, it locks itself. I've already put heat protection in my hair. I will leave the products that I used in my hair in the description box down below. I used a leave-in conditioner, a primer, and a heat protectant. So this is my hair probably 90% dry. I put it in a hair towel after I washed it, so I also had a treatment through it, shampooed twice, did a rice wash, and then conditioned. So this is my hair sort of in its state at the moment. It's a little bit frizzy, I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, so let's give this a go. Yeah. You can feel the air. There's a mirror right here, so I'm looking down, it's exactly the mirror is. That's just a few strokes in this section of my hair. As you can see, it's actually made it fairly smooth. It feels really nice. It's probably like 99% dry. There's probably a little bit of dampness left that I'll continue to use it for. I'm going with an underneath motion to sort of not let my hair be super flat, and then I'm doing sort of a downward motion to sort of get the top. But I mean, it feels smooth and soft. It's not really loud. It's definitely not hot by any means. And it's not heavy. So let's continue. It's been approximately 3 minutes and my hair is now 100% dry. It is smooth, it's really straight. I am going to do a cool shot and give that a go, just to finish it all off, but that seems to be, it's amazing. It's not hot to touch. I've had my hand on it the whole time. It's just like brushing my hair really slowly. The hairbrush is clean. I don't know if you can see that. But there's no hair that's come out, so it's been really gentle. It's not tugged on my hair at all. And as you can see, there's like no frizz. So I'm really super impressed with how this works. So it's been really gentle on my hair. I would say this is no more aggressive than just, or damaging than just walking outside with wet hair. It's almost like a warm breeze. I mean, the back is a little bit warm. But it's not hot by any means. I can touch it quite comfortably. And yeah, let's turn around so I can show you the back. Like I said, I'm going to use it for a cool shot and I'll give you a little update on that. But the idea is I'm just switching the heat setting to cool and giving it a shot. So like I said, it's not heavy. That is after a cool shot. So my hair is super shiny, really soft, doesn't feel damaged or dry. I would normally, you know, with my Dyson I don't have this problem, but previously if I used a hairdryer my hair would get really dry and damaged, or feel that way, and this doesn't have that problem. And yeah, I honestly can't say enough good things about it. I mean, it's really expensive. I will say that I don't think you need the Airwrap and the hairdryer. I got this as a rewards system thing for some points that I was using up, so I didn't actually spend the money to buy it, and it was not gifted to me. The hairdryer was money. I spent that with my own money for Christmas last year, and look, I will get use out of both, but that being said, I don't think you need both. I think you could probably get away with one or the other. If you like the functional thing of this, like I said, it's got the option to do curls and waves, and also to round brush. If you like the function of that, then this is a great investment. That being said, I haven't tried any of the curling barrels, so you'll have to come back another day. I will give those a go. But for the actual like hair drying thing, if you want just smooth hair, I don't think you even need a flat iron with this. I think that this, I have naturally quite wavy hair. I did brush it before I came out to do this, and I did let it air dry in a towel for a little while. But I think if you had, if you just sort of liked your hair straight on a daily basis, this would do an amazing job, and you really don't really need a hair straightener unless you want it to be pin straight. So yeah, I think this is great. It's an awesome tool, and I will 100% get tons of use out of it. Is it worth the like $800? That is up to how much you use it, I guess. If you would use this, something like this every single day, then yeah, I think it'd be a great investment. It sort of does everything that you need. But that being said, like I said, I haven't tried the curling options, and I know that's the controversial bit, but for what I used it for today, I think it's amazing. It took, I think, 3 or 4 minutes. I'll double check the footage and I'll insert the time here. In total, from my hair being semi-dry from a towel to this. And so I really don't think I have any complaints about it. It was super quick, and I think the quicker the better in that way, because it's just less damaging. But yeah, so that is that. The cool shot was nice. It, to be honest, just felt like the normal with a bit of cold. So yeah, let's just thank you so much for watching. Like I said, make sure you click the subscribe button, because I will do some videos using the other sections of the thing, but I don't want to make this video too ridiculously long. If you're interested in just seeing how the brushes work, this is the video for you. If you're interested to see how the curlers come, then make sure you subscribe, because that will be coming soon. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.